Hi guys, so today I am making pasta as a part of my meal prep, and now I'm marinating with red pepper um, and olive oil. I'm marinating a salmon. This is red pepper and olive oil. Then we add some red chili powder. It adds some good spice to it. Shake, shake, shake. As you can see, I'm using salmon, so we'll add a bit more basil as well. And keep it hearty Italian, so these are relatively pretty Italian dishes, but I'm doing it kind of my way. Ingredients, sorry. And some garlic salt as well. Didn't exactly read the salt, I just realized how bad the video is. Zoomed in, but anywho. And some lime juice at the end, because we're using fish and lime really gives like fish a good kick. It just makes it taste so much better. So obviously like I added a lot, but you can keep adding more. Anywho. Now while the oven is preheating, I'm just going to, I've already boiled the water for the pasta. I'm gonna add some garlic salt. It's honestly so nice. Garlic salt while it's boiling, obviously. And put the pasta in there. I use some Barilla spaghetti. Normally, like, I use the whole pack. Just so that it doesn't all fall out, I'm gonna put it in bit by bit. You saw like a bit of it fell out anyway, but it's fine. It's dry. The whole thing goes in. So we're saying good night to me. And he'll be back pretty soon.
You're filming! Ooh! Going viral, I see. Oh, okay. I think you
And give it a good stir. And put the pasta in once the water is boiled, otherwise it like doesn't have a good texture. And that was a peek by Bolu. I'm gonna time the pasta for 11 minutes. The timer set.
Oh.
You didn't come in the video. That was Bolu showing us oranges. And here he is again.
Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, God.
Obviously, he was stuck.
Bro, my body's tired.
We were at the gym.
And I just get sliding down into a split.
Yes. So now I'm just gonna marinate all the salmon piece by piece.
I don't want to do one of my segments today. I'll do it tomorrow.
Do-do-do-do-do-do. framework has been pretty weird. Like it changes after I stop recording for some reason. But anyway. And this was done at like 11:30, 12 at night. We had just come back from the gym, so that's why I'm in my pajamas and my hoodie. Because I'll eat and then I'll just go right back to sleep. It's good to dice up all the salmon beforehand because then when you put it in the oven it's going to be nice and soft all around. There's going to be no... It's basically like marinate, grilling any meat in the oven. And salmon, like the good part about it is it cooks really fast and absorbs the flavor like really well. So that's why I really like to use this. Now, the oven has preheated to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. And we set up our timer, put it in for 20 minutes. Now, the pasta has been boiled, so we drain out all the water. And this is slowly helping me out because I have messed this up quite a few times and a lot of the pasta has fallen into the sink. So now when we have an empty pot, we can put in some olive oil at the bottom. Make sure there's no water in there, which is what I did. You put it like slightly below medium heat because you don't need to have it too... you don't want to make things like very rapid in there. I add some pesto sauce. I'm going to use that to stir. And in total, take about 3 big spoons because this is a meal prep, which is why I'm making so much pasta. So I have enough for like 2-3 days. Probably 2 days because I do eat a lot. And I'm just gonna put the pesto back because it's better refrigerated. Alright, now stir, 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 stir. Add the same spices as I did before. So we start with the red pepper. Then we move on. It's going to be some red chili powder. It gives it a nice kick of a spice. Or some heat. And yeah, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Shake, shake, shake. Next we have some basil. I am running out of basil, so that's going to be my next grocery trip. And in the end we have some garlic salt, because this is a lovely ingredient, very underrated to be honest. Right, once that's done, we have all the spices in there, we have our base ready. And honestly, we don't even need to use too much of the sauce, because I like my pasta pretty dry. Even if you see right now, this isn't too much for the amount of pasta I've made, which you will see pretty soon. That's a bottle of mouthwash that was there for no reason. So add some pasta. I mean, all the pasta that you've boiled. Now, give it a proper stir. There's a nice young baboon who's really sleepy, but he's still here. It's a lot of stirring because there's a lot of pasta. It's a good arm workout, honestly. But yeah, once it's all done, you'll see the color like properly change. It looks really, really good. And finally, our salmon is done.
I think we're gonna put the phone on there. That's a bad idea.
And in the end, we just put all the salmon into the pot.
You know there's a thing for it.
I know, but like, fine. Looks more authentic with the wooden. Yeah, it is more authentic. I don't know. I just feel like wooden tech is pretty cool. He was telling me to use the salmon.
Yeah.
What
I know
happened?
someone who likes very really well.
Oh yeah, you don't like seafood.
No, but I do know someone who likes very really well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who? Me?
So,
Oh. Yeah, I love seafood. I mean, honestly, I don't. Actually, I do. Do I? I like salmon. I like a lot of fish.
yeah, I think you hosted dinner.
But yeah, now we're done and you can treat yourself to a nice bottle of wine. Thank you for watching, guys.